What is up, guys? Welcome back to Play Squad HQ. Today we have Breakdown. Take his weapons out of his hands and put them over to the side. Step 1, what you want to do is pump his chest out and then pull his waist down like that. Next, you want to turn his waist around. Then you want to flip his legs and feet. And same thing on the other side. Next, what you want to do is flip him over, lift his thing up, and turn it like that to get it out of the way for this next step. Now you want to bend his knees into the panel, inside on both sides. Next, you want to close up those panels. Now, I'm not going to show it on camera, but you can look inside his legs. You'll see a hole in a stick. You have to line the stick on the my right, onto the bottom hole, and the left onto the top hole with the stick. And then you have to click those together. Next, flip him over. Make sure everything's in place. Next, you want to flip this. Now he has sticks right there, and there's openings right next to where it's supposed to go. So you want to lift that up and then get them to align. You don't want to make a mistake on this. You have to get them properly on. This is the hard part. Right. Then you have to click this in. You have to push this and snap it in. It has to be all together to snap this in. It has to be all on too. Oh, snap. Now go to the sides and make sure it's all lined up. Okay. Next, what you want to do is fold his hands in. Now, you want to turn it and then turn his arm to make sure the blue side is facing up. Because then you want to watch closely. You want to bring his wheel down, then lift up this blue thing like it's a door. Same thing on the other side. Turn the blue so it's facing up. Then you gotta bring his wheel down, lift his arm as if it were to be a door. Now, what you wanna do is push in his blades, or whatever they are, into there. Flip him back over. Now, you can attach his weapons onto the side of his car or in the back. I'm most likely to do the back, because if you put it in the front, he won't really roll. So I put it in the back, facing the rockets will face the back. And then I attach it, because if I turn it the other way, it's a little weird. So I like to make it face the back. And then I attach his gun in the back. There we have it. There's Breakdown. He's an Autobot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Peace out.